Today Yoshiko is making Nikujaga, a traditional Japanese home dish. Nikujaga is a simple stew made with potatoes, onions and vegetables cooked in a light broth. It is a very common meal in Japanese homes. The name is simple. Niku means meat and Jaga refers to potatoes. Every household makes it a little differently. Yoshiko prepares a lighter version with plenty of vegetables.
Potato, 1 carrot.
Today she begins by preparing the ingredients. Potatoes are cut into large pieces so they hold their shape while cooking. Carrots are cut into bite-sized pieces and they add colour and gentle sweetness. So she'll add green beans later on for brightness. Onions soften and become sweet in the broth. And here she adds a little ginger, sliced into little slices really, and that tastes great as well. It's a nice balance. And the konnyaku, plenty of fibre in that konnyaku. And lastly, the meat, just a little, it's about 200 grams.
About 1 tablespoon.
And the seasoning is simple. That's the sesame oil and the ginger she'll fry up for a while. Adds the meat. That's a pork, by the way.
Adding a little bit more gomabura.
Little extra sesame oil.
Then I'll put the dashi.
Adds the dashi. That's stock.
Okay. Then cook for a while.
I'll put the lid on now and let it simmer for about 10 minutes.
I'm putting sake.
And now the seasoning goes in. First the sake, about 3 tablespoons. And then soy sauce, a further 3 tablespoons. And mirin for a bit of sweetness, 2 tablespoons.
Honey.
And for extra sweetness, 1 tablespoon of honey. And finally and finally the konjaku.
15 minutes or so.
Simple ingredients, cooked slowly and with care.
Nice.
Yoshiko tastes it, gives it the okay.
Final touch. Put green beans.
And the green beans
Looks
to
nice.
add brightness and colour, as well as being good for you.
We're ready. Very good. Okay. I'll serve now.
And she serves the dish. Potatoes are soft, onions are sweet, and the broth is rich with flavour. Serves the rice. It's brown rice with mugi. And now it's time for me and Yoshiko to sit down and enjoy this meal. Hello and welcome to Long Life Healthy Way.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Well, Yoshiko, this certainly looks good, this meal.
Looks nice. Came out well.
Yes, I think so.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Okay, so I'm going to try this potato first because it's the star of the show. Nikujaga.
Yeah, Jaga
means
jagaimo.
That means jagaimo is potato in this case.
Nice flavour too.
And just a little meat.
Do you like konjaku? Try konjaku. Having trouble.
It's still alive.
Nice, isn't it? I'll eat later.
So, tell me, Yoshiko, did you used to have this when you were a kid?
Yes, my mom used to cook a lot, and this is our family's favorite food. So when I think of this Nikujaga, it reminds me of my childhood.
Ah, I see.
And the other day, actually, I was looking through old photo albums, and I discovered this photo. So I brought here because I wanted to share it with you. And this is my first day at primary school.
I see.
Yeah, as you can see,
Who's that?
This is Nakano sensei.
So there's one teacher.
One teacher and 57 students in one class.
Wow.
Can you imagine?
Mm.
Because we are baby boomers.
Yes. Okay, so 57. That's quite a big class, isn't it?
Yes, yes. But Nakano sensei was strict, had to be, but she's a very nice and kind teacher.
I
She
see.
used to invite us to her home and have dinner together and, play games.
The whole
So-
57 kids?
No, in a group.
Oh,
of
I
course.
see.
Take turns.
Right.
So that was one of my fondest memories.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah. Actually, this primary school, four of us went to the same junior high and then went on same senior high.
I see.
All 12 years together. So we are still keeping in touch after all these years, and we meet together twice a year at least and have lunch together.
Fantastic. And tell me, high school, what time did it finish in the
High school?
afternoons?
3 o'clock,
3 o'clock.
9 to 3.
So you used to commute to school?
Yes, I used the subway and then a streetcar.
I see. So coming home, did you come home straight from school or did you deviate any?
Yes, I have to confess. We used to go to okonomiyaki place
I see.
because high school kids, we all hungry
Ah, yes.
after school. So, we used to go there. And
You were hungry, so...
Yeah.
So you'd eat okonomiyaki, which is Japanese pancake.
Yes,
I
that's
see.
right.
All right. Well, that sounds like a very lovely memory for you.
Yes, it's nice.
Thank you very much for watching, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
I hope you enjoyed this little trip down memory lane.
Memory lane. Tell
And-
us if you have, sort of primary school
Oh, yes,
memories and
that'd be
things
terrific.
like that.
We'd love to hear that.
like to share with you. Okay, thank you very much, and bye for now.
Yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.